Go ahead. Okay, it's okay. Just do it.
No, we'll just keep rolling. Do I stun double for this shot? Sorry when I'm laughing.
Go.
God, so small.
Right.
It's go time, bitches. I believe you have my stapler. Bitch. We're just gonna do that randomly throughout.
Let's do that one more time.
I try again.
Yeah, alright.
It's harder than it looks, eh?
I know it is, I know. That's still wrong?
Yeah.
Hold it like a gangsta. Hold it like a gangsta.
Bam!
Go.
I have no idea what you just said, but what if I told you I used this stapler from that stapler and just said